everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here filming for the week of April 1st through to the 7th. I'm actually filming this way in advance. It's only March 22nd, but I wanted to get this filmed and prepped and ready to go before I went on vacation. So what I'm going to be decorating with today are these Let's Travel stickers from the Giving Girl, and I thought it was just a great way to continue on the travel feel, and plus I just love the colors of this. Let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna bring in some of this Simply Gilded washi that I bought years ago and haven't used. And let's see if it's actually still good. I went through a phase where I just bought Simply Gilded washi every time there was a new release, which was not great because then I had a whole bunch of washi that I wasn't using as regularly as I'd like. But as you do, I think everyone goes through that phase where they're continuously buying and then realize, wait a second, now I actually have to use this. And I'm sure we see that Instagram reel all the time of, you know, the act of buying is different from the actual act of using our supplies. Totally get it. Totally get it. So I am just adding some washi up at the top, down here at the bottom as well. And then, like, these stickers are so cute, and I'm sure I can easily finish this sticker sheet. I'm gonna add some of this washi from the washi tape shop. Unfortunately, I checked even the other day, there is no more of this washi left at the washi tape shop. I searched for there, I think there could be something similar to it, but it's just not there anymore, unfortunately. So, oh, Lucy, what you doing? Lucy is currently sitting on the back of my desk, back of my chair. So I'm like pushed all the way to the front of my chair here, because of course Lucy needs her space. Then, oh gosh, that's cute. I'm gonna leave enough room there so that I do have space for my habit tracker. Forgot what that was called for a second. And I think I'm just gonna actually spread the stickers up at the top here. And they in turn create their own kind of washi decoration up here. I like that so far. And I'm just thinking, like, in terms of like the stickers that I own, I no longer own a whole bunch of, you know, sticker books from like the Happy Plan or anything like that. When I'm purchasing stickers, I'm thinking about, do I have enough for a weekly spread? Plus maybe if I want to use it in my daily spreads, I'd like to have a theme running. And then I don't like to have too much left over from that, because like once I use it up, that's it. And I don't like having leftover, which is why you see me, if I got like this many stickers left, I'm going to use them where I can. Just like so. I'm gonna leave the rest for now, and then I'll add that in when, oh, just fixing my washi stand on the side here. I'll add that in when I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna be using, I'm very excited to be using this. This is my Esterbrook Esty Blue Moon, and it currently has Diamine Celadon Cat in here. So I'm gonna write in my sleep score, and I wonder what my sleep is going to be like for once we get back from vacation. I know my sleep before a vacation is normally not great, you know, stressing about the things that need to happen. And then sometimes sleep on a vacation isn't great either. So workout, I'm using my Lamy 2000 here, and it has Robert Oster. I believe it's Robert Oster with Van Diemen's Allspice, I think. Actually, that's not correct. It is Van Diemen's with Pulp Addiction Allspice, and that one is from Jane of JP Pen and Ink, all the way from Australia. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we actually fly back on the Monday. Tuesday, I have off from work for most of the day, and then I am back at work from 4 till close. And then I will write work here as well. Oh, I'm kind of sad to actually be planning this out. Oh, hold on, Lucy, wait. Lucy heard noise upstairs, so she had to go and check out what it was. I'm kind of sad to be planning in the week after vacation now, just because I'm like, oh, I have to go back to work. Then work here. Now this Esterbrook Esty has a medium nib, which is broader than I normally like to go, but I will make it work. So I actually have to be closing on Friday, and then I'm on call on the Saturday. There's a lot going on this week. I'm actually going to write out my habits down here. And so habits, firstly will be the audiobook. Next is read 10 to 15 pages, and then meditate. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. So now I got to go in with actual things that have to happen here. So we fly back on this day. I'm not putting any flight details on there, but I will say that we have to pick up groceries in the evening between 5 and 5:30. And then I also have to order groceries again for 5 o'clock. Pick up groceries. And I'll actually make it a to, well, yeah, I'll put a to-do here. Will be order groceries. But I will also start laundry. Then Tuesday, we will put out the garbage bins. Should there be any garbage from the one day that we were back. Put out garbage. And then nothing on the Thursday, or nothing on the Wednesday. Thursday is grocery order pickup. Whoops. And that'll be from 6 to 6:30. Pick up groceries. Then Friday, do I have a massage on Friday? I feel like I do. I need to check. I do have a massage on Friday, so let's see. I have a massage on Friday at, what time is that? 10:20. I have a lot of napping stickers. So massage at 10:20. There we go, and that will be with the Esterbrook Esty. Making sure I'm writing in things properly. 10:20. And then before that, I will be going to Weight Watchers. I don't have any other appointments per se. Then Saturday, oh, I'm forgetting that the cleaner is supposed to come on that Thursday. So what happened, our cleaner, I am fortunate enough to be able to hire a cleaner once a month, and I'm so grateful for that. our cleaner, I wanted to have a cleaner right before we went on our vacation. Unfortunately, she was sick, so we've had it rescheduled to the 4th, just after we come back. And sorry, 9:30 to 2:30. Oh, and now Lucy's outside of my door whining. Give me a second. I can't believe I just smudged that. Oh, well. Then that evening, or that day, we're having family over for our Easter dinner. And this isn't really, you know, a coffee date per se, but having family over, it's a delayed Easter dinner because we are on vacation during Easter, or were by the time you watch this, family Easter. Okay, then on the Sunday, where is my ninja sticker? And Henry has ninja on the, let's use a purple one, from 11:30 to 12:30. Okay. Where am I? 11:30 to 12:30. H at Ninja. Okay. Oh, Lucy, what is going on? She's under my desk and whining. Okay. Now that I've completed most of that, I feel like I have the space to be able to put these in specific spots. So let's see. What is that? Is that a lipstick? I don't know what that is, but I'll still put the sticker down. Maybe here. And then camera. Let's see, I'm just thinking what time our flights are. Yeah, this can go here. And then, oh, come on. Then I can put something here. Then, whoopsie. Okay, then something here. No, that's when I normally take Lucy on a walk. So, got there. And then one more. Probably just here. Okay, sticker sheet finished. And you know what I do with finished sticker sheets? I write the date on them, and it is technically March 22nd that I'm doing this. And then I put them in my pile of used sticker sheets, and I actually count the number of sticker sheets that I work through every month. All right. That is it for me decorating for the week of April 1st. I actually really love the colors of this spread from the Giving Girl. It's really pretty. I'm just kind of pissed off at myself for smudging that, but such is life. All right, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.